Welcome, artists! Remember, when you watch this video on how to make origami being the Japanese word for folding paper, folded paper to make something just amazing, remember you can pause the video at any time, you can replay the video at any time, and you can watch it as many times as you need. Feel free to raise a quiet hand whenever you have a question you need to ask me. All right, my artists, on the fourth page, we have a more tricky piece of origami. So don't stress if it's a little difficult. I know you can do it. This is to make a bat. So my artists, you can just put this to the side if you need to. You are going to take your origami square and you are going to turn it into a diamond. So one corner is pointing towards your belly button and the other one is pointing away from you. You are going to bring this corner all the way up to the other corner and line them up the best you can. Here, bring your finger back and you are going to fold your paper down. Now remember, a crease is really important in origami, so make sure it's folded and pressed down really nice and clean. You might need to use the back of your thumb to push it down and make it even a sharper crease. You're then going to take your triangle, have the point facing away from you, and you are going to take these two sides here and they're going to clip together to make an even smaller triangle. Fold that down, back of your thumbnail if you need to make that there. Now my artist, you're going to actually open it up and you can see on my handout it says that this part needs to move up to almost the top of my triangle. So it's going to somewhat look like a boat in the end. So see how some of my triangle is peeking up? You're going to do that on this side. You're going to bring it up, leave a little bit of a triangle peeking out, push it down, fold it, and make a really nice, clean crease. Now it's time to make the head of my bat. So now I'm going to take my triangle and I'm not going to fold it all the way down close. I'm going to leave a little bit of room. See how I left a little bit of room right here? So you're going to fold it down just a little bit. Make sure it's a nice, even triangle here. The point of my triangle is sitting right on that folded line there in the middle. Push that down, back with my thumb if I need to. Great job. Now I'm going to take my bat's head and tummy right here, and I'm going to fold that back in half real fast so it kind of pops out. Fold it nice and back. You're basically taking these sides and just bringing it and folding it in half and reopening it. Now this part is probably the trickiest part of all. You are going to make your bat's wings. Now, you'll see on my side, I don't want to fold my paper in a straight line. I want to fold it kind of at an angle. See how here it's a diagonal line versus here, which would be a straight line going up and down. I want to take and fold a diagonal line. So I'm going to fold one diagonal line on one side, and I'm going to fold a diagonal line on the other side so it looks like my bat's wings are popping out and it could fly away. So cute. Now my artist, this is your time if you want to glue down anything so nothing moves. Like if I want the head glued down, I can glue down the head, and I could add color to my bat. This is the bat I colored. You can make your bat any color you would like. It could even be purple or green, totally up to you. Now artists, if you need any help Feel free to pause the video at any time, rewatch anything you need to rewatch, and feel free to also show me a quiet hand and I'll come over and I will gladly help you.